to address your grievances. And we have our procurement plans annually in our website. You can go through it. And we are consistently surpassing 25% of the procurement from MSMEs. And finally, with this, we hope we can achieve the conducive ecosystem in India. So with this, I'll take a leave. So our teams are there to take you through a detailed presentations. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Due to the paucity of time, we will run through the slides. We tend to have more of one-to-one interaction with all of us. I will try to run through and then finish the presentation as soon as possible so that we can have an interactive session immediately after this presentation. So our prime objective is to register you all, whosoever is not registered. We want to even give you a bird's eye view of opportunities at HL. We'll have one-to-one interactions. During that time, we'll definitely let you know what are the opportunities. So in a nutshell, I will not waste your time. We will go through. The agenda is, we'll talk about HL, what they call the order bookings, the kind of projects, future projects, export potential, volume of procurements, and the processes, what platforms we use, and the vendor registration process which you are all interested in, and the government policies which we are abiding to. So basically we are now a Maharatna company. In fact, we have gone through a long journey of 84 years. So we were Mini Ratna at one point of time, then trajected towards Maharatna. Now our CMD says our vision is to become a Vishwaratna, a global leader in the world, which will certainly happen very, very soon. And I definitely want you all to partner with us for becoming a world leader. So this year order booking is about 2 lakh crores. We are expecting another 1 crore adding to it, which becomes 3 lakh crores of order booking. That means there is a lot of things in platter, and we definitely want you all to support us in executing all these projects. We are about 24,000 employees spread over 7 states. We have 21 manufacturing units, 10 R&D centers. As I told you earlier, even my friend Murthy has told you, we are 85-year-old company. An old wine in in a new bottle, which probably you will all appreciate. And then we are the first DPSU to be awarded Maharatna. We have extra power. We have full powers for procurements, forming JVs, what they call having consortiums, partnering with academia, partnering with best of the vendors across India. We are evolving from a traditional PSU setup to the agile aerospace sector, which is the golden line of this particular era. So the current business opportunities, we have all the design and development projects, fixed wing, rotary wing, and UAVs. We have LCA Tejas, STT-40, Dhruv, Rudra, Prachand, and UAVs like Tapas and Abhyas. We are also into aero engine R&D production, that is HTF E25 and HTSE 1200. We are also into license production. We have a contract for 240 AL-35FP engines for Su-30 Mark 1 aircraft. The indigenous content is about 60%. We are collaborating with Safran too for the GE 414 engines. We are actually getting a revenue of about 70% of our revenue comes from MRO. This financial year, we have got a revenue of about 20,000 crore from MRO. We are taking baby steps in the MRO for civil aviation sector, and we are going to position it in a big way. Though the kind of a chunk is about 100 crores into our kitty by this particular new vertical, but then we want to enter into the MRO for civil aviation, and we are also into space and rocketeering. That is, we have recently won an order from ISRO for TOT from ISRO, won it in competition. We bid for about 511 crores. It's a totally new vertical for HAL. This is for the rockets to put small satellites of weight about 500 kgs into low Earth orbit, expecting about 6 launches per year. It adds about 1,000 crore to our kitty. Then we have D&D. The main learning curve which we had was with LCA. LCA has taught a lot of things for us. We have built a very good ecosystem. We are now having a core competency in avionics and software, weaponization, and all of you know that this was after the post-Pokhran effect. And maybe you all would have had questions. Why were we not delivering LCA Mark 1A? And we have lined up 6 aircrafts for delivery last year. This couldn't happen because of delays in engine deliveries by GE. And this year also we have another 6 aircrafts lined up. Now the good news is that GE has come back to us last month, and they have told that 12 engines will be delivered this year, and we are going to deliver all the 12 aircrafts to our defense forces this year. That's a major supply chain management issue which has been resolved this year. And maybe most of you would know what intermediate jet trainer. Are you aware of intermediate jet trainer, which flew about 6 years in air show? So we are back. We named it Ashes. Thanks to our design houses, MCSRDC, ARDC and SLRDC design houses, we were able to make our own glass cockpit with the kind of sources which we had from our own design houses. We built it again. Now it's flying. At Aero India 2025 also it flew, and our honorable civil aviation minister has almost had a sortie in that particular aircraft. And thanks to our design houses and our partners. Future projects like LCA Mark II. We have LCA Mark II, which is a 4.5 generation multi-role fighter. It replaces all the older jets. The first prototype is expected during 2028 and 29. About 15,000 crores is sanctioned by the government. We have AMCA, the stealth multi-role fighter aircraft. It is in partnership with ADA and HAL. It's at design review stage. It's on drawing boards. It's a private partnership consortium. The requirement is for about 126 aircraft. We have HLF T-42. It's a supersonic lead-in fighter trainer. It replaces Hawks. It serves as a mothership for the CAT system too. And we have HTT-40, which you are all aware of. It's a basic trainer. The first batch of the deliveries will happen during 2025 and 2030. We are setting a platform to build an aircraft of 20 aircraft per year. And the plans are at Aircraft Division Bangalore and Nasik Division 2. We have also planned for a Su-30 upgrades. It's a D&D project. CCS approval is awaited for about 84 aircraft. We have IMRH in pipeline, which is a 4.5 ton helicopter. It is about, government will be funding about 70%, and HAL will fund 30%. The first prototype is expected in 2027. We have already initiated the project. HAL board has given us the approval, though the CCS sanction is awaited. So we have CATS barrier combat air training system. This is nothing but manned aircrafts controlling the unmanned aircrafts. We have UCAVs of 3-ton category. And coming to exports, we are setting our footprints in the world map. We tend to, have service bases. They are planned at Southeast Asia, North Africa, and West Asia too. And in a big way, we are planning to sell our LCA Mark 1 aircraft also. We are in active talks with Argentina, Egypt, Nigeria, and Philippines. And as you all are aware of, we are top contender in the Malaysia Royal Air Force RFQ, which went to Koreans, of course. But we always made a mark to them. Our USP is, we have a very good partnership with Bell Team. Bell Team is here. They are our father figure. We always say that. In fact, our USP was similar to them. We build, maintain, and upgrade. We are also concentrating on the Atmanirbharta, and then we want to have a foothold of raw materials to the software build. Our mantra is electronics. So we want to have a strong core competency in electronics. We all want you to partner with us for making the electronic components. Then our CMD says the basic idea of building an aircraft wouldn't be possible without capacity expansions. We have now 3 lines of LCA build. 2 are at Bangalore, 1 is at Nasik. The 4th vertical is with partners. So we have a very good ecosystem now for building our LCA. So we want to execute, and we want to focus on future development, and we want to collaborate with private partners, startups for innovation, vendors for producing our key components, and so that we can fill the technology gap. I want to play a small video which you would be interested in. This takes you through our core competency in avionics system, and it also shows you a bird's eye view of our Center of Excellence for Simulators, which is at Bangalore.
The strength, the pride, the glory of India's defense and aerospace production. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. For 8 decades, HAL has been a proud leader in India's defense and aerospace sector. With its cutting-edge design, production, repair and upgrade facilities, HAL has been a driving force in the industry with its Make in India initiatives. Avionics is the major constituent of modern-day aircraft, and HAL has dedicated R&D centers to cater to the modern-day needs. Equipped with state-of-the-art infrastructure and pool of talented manpower, the R&D centers provide a complete package.
Clipping and also the presentation. We have a design house at Bangalore. Mission combatant systems for fixed wing aircraft, rotary wing aircraft and other aerial vehicles. It's also called Center of Excellence for Simulators. We are into design, development, supply and commissioning of fixed base full mission simulators for Jaguar Daring 3. Almost we have delivered it to the defense forces, and it's at our Air Force base. The factory acceptance test is going on. We are also into design, development, supply and commissioning of HTT-40 synthetic training equipment. This is one of the simulators. They have requested for 2 CPTs and 1 FVFMS simulators. We are into also development of level D flight simulator for Hindustan 228. It's Dornier 228. We have named it Hindustan 228 because it's our Indian aircraft now. We are totally making it on our own. It is totally indigenous. We are also into full motion film mission simulator. We are also into development of MCs, DMC and SMFD for LCA Mark 1A. So we are also into design and development of indigenous IADS for UHM, that is utility helicopter maritime aircraft for naval navy. We are also into design and development of indigenous AFCS for ALH Mark 3. We are into indigenous automatic flight control system, AFCS for LUH, and we are into upgrade of MiG-29, and we are into mission management system of Dornier 228. So these are some of the projects which will account for about 5,000 crores. So you can expect tenders floated for these particular programs in near future. So talking about the value of orders placed during 5 years, we have grown from 13,000 crore to close to about 20,000 crore. Last year, 2024-25 also, we have achieved close to about 21,000 crore. Then talking about the government policies, we have to generally have a policy where we have to procure from MSMEs. That should be around 25%. But we have crossed that mark, and about 44% is being procured from MSEs. And a small chunk is from women entrepreneurs too, which is about 3.34%. So these are all volume of procurements, the number of orders which we have placed on local vendors. We use two platforms. One is eProc and GEM Portal. So the ones which are not existing or listed on GEM Portal, we generally host it or publish it on the e-procurement portal. One of the important things which I wanted to make you understand about this eProc is, we have Shashi with us. In fact, he is there here. He will take all the forms, and he will even make you understand or sensitize you how to fill the online forms and submit. So maybe after this presentation you can talk to him. He is with us. So the best part is, even though if you are not registered, you can definitely go and see what are the kind of tenders which we have hosted on this web portal. I mean e-procurement portal. There's something called tender free view. There's something called tender free view. If you get into this portal, you will have this tender free view. All the tenders which have been hosted in e-procurement portal, even if you are not registered with HL eProc, you can have a view. And if you have a core competency in the tenders which you want to really respond to the RFQs, you can immediately talk to Shashi, and then you can register it online. It almost takes not more than 3 hours to get e-registered. For web registration, I will talk about it in my future slides. So I'm one of the vendor master managers for vendor registration. So now we have a enrollment form, online form. Shashi, you want to take it through these slides, or can I continue? Okay, fine. So please correct me if I'm wrong, Shashi. So we have an enrollment form. It's online form. You have to fill it. We have a team of team members constituting from quality, finance, project managers, and IMM. They will validate the documents which you have uploaded. Then you can also track. We will give you we will assign a number to it. And if we want further few more updated documents, we'll ask for it. And once you update it, we'll approve it. It almost takes not more than a week. And for foreign vendors, it may take close to about a week or two. That's true, Nashashi? Yeah. So it's very easy process. After Shashi took over, he made it very simple. So this is our eProc procurement portal. There is only one form, both for Indian and foreign, but with different what they call formats. It's a single window system. Maybe after the presentation you can go through. We have Google, we can browse through, right? Okay. So I think very few documents we have asked for, just to ensure that you have MSME certificate, GST and registration number, and some of the bank details, a PAN card. Those are the details or documents we are asking for, looking for. And also we are emphasizing on the local content. So we are asking for even the Udyan registration certificate too. So hardly it takes about 3 hours to get the approval done if all the documents are in place. Shashi, correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah.
The committee is involved. You need to have to wait for some time. So it is a committee that on the division level it happens. It happens in the division level to verify your documents and take the approval of the committee. So it has to go to our respective CFAs to get the verified document and the panel report to enroll yourself as a vendor. So online registration is simple. So you give the details and it will be registered immediately. Okay, so there are two registration. One, what Mr. Prashant was telling of the web registration. Sir, you'll get the email alert immediately after registration. But the only thing what I would suggest here is that please see to that the system requirement, especially that Java, what is the latest one you have to install, that you have to install, and according to the browser what you are using, that should be in place. Otherwise, no, the support will not be there. Compatibility issues are coming, so that will be there. Moreover, you can connect with our helplines, what is mentioned in our portal. So it is 24/7. We are operating, and we'll be supporting you through our online also. So you can have your quick assist or team view in your system installed, so that our help desk team can access you and guide you. So they will monitor you on web application and guide you. So,
Thank you. Check. Thank you, Shashi. So you all can, whosoever is interested, please meet Mr. Shashi. Shashi will be here with us for some time. So these government policies you must be aware of. Should I run through these slides, or all of you are aware of these government policies? So okay. So we have this MSc Sambandh portal too, where we upload our manual procurements. So CVC, as per CVC guidelines, we are we are supposed to ensure that every month we have to publish our annual procurement plan, updated annual procurement plan on this MSME Sambandh portal. Then you are aware of, I think most of you are aware of this relaxations. We give relaxation to prior experience and prior turnover, except for the mission critical items or LRUs. We are making timely payment to MSMEs. We have almost cleared all the payments of MSMEs within 45 days. We are running with zero balance, and this was well appreciated by Ministry of MSE officials recently. If you have any doubts, you can always contact Mr. K.C. Ramesha, AGM IMM Corporate Office. We will also pass on his number to you. If you are having any payment issues or issues with MSME certification or MSME enrollment, he will be able to guide you. He is the nodal officer from HAL. For any grievances, we have MSc Sambandh portal. You can always list your grievances in this portal, so that our nodal officer gets a alert on his email, and then we'll respond to you immediately. Within 24 hours, we are supposed to respond, and we'll certainly respond to you. Then, as my colleague has already, talked about TREADS platform, we have listed RxIL Mind Solutions and 8 TREADS. Please register yourself with those platform enablers, and it is for enabling your payment and expediting payment for MSMEs. Then we are very, it's very important for us, or mandated by the government, that we have to definitely go in for the local content manufacturers. Only with class 1 and class 2, we have to publish an RFQ with a mandatory clause that the RFQ is to be responded by only local vendors. Especially whenever we are publishing an RFQ in GEM portal, it is mandatory that non-local vendors are not supposed to submit. This is to promote indigenization. And we also give some benefits to the class 1 local suppliers. Whenever the L1 is a non-class 1 local vendor, and if it is he's falling under the bandwidth of L1 plus 20%, if he matches with the L1 price, we give the whole kind of supplies to him. If it is indivisible content, otherwise we give him in segments. Then, as I told you earlier, we have projected procurement projections for about 5 years. So you can go through the portal and our HL portal, HL website. You will have all the requirements for the next 5 years. We have been updating this. And make 1 and make 2, my colleague has already talked about this. I'll skip this slide. So, yeah, this is about the consistency, the expectations from you. That would be the consistency in product quality and timely delivery. We are looking forward to a competitive pricing from all of you. There should be assured, 100% assured traceability through proper documentation. And you should have a firm quality process adhering to the aerospace standards. And thank you. Let's keep our flag flying high. Jai Hind. Thank you very much. We will try to show you the movie clipping. It's very interesting. But let me check. Acha, a few more things which I wanted to state before we wind up. Our CVC, the present CVC who is also officiating CVC for BEL, I think our Bell team will also vouch. She has asked us to conduct quarterly vendor meetings. So you would not be really knowing what kind of tenders are being hosted by whatsoever divisions. So from now onwards, from this month onwards, we are hosting it on our website. Whichever division is going to conduct a vendor development meet or outreach program, it will be published in our website. I'm going to show you that. I talked about this free view. You can click on this and then go to the free view and you will find all the listed RFQs. Then many of you would be interested in knowing the procurement heads of all the divisions. Get into the Google and then check for this list. Click on this and you will have all our IMM officers' numbers. Though there are small changes, the numbers are not changed. The phone numbers remains the same. You can contact them. Website also, okay. Okay, that also I'll show you. He is the one who has actually done it. Thanks to him. It's very important for you to know the procurement heads.
So any information is required, you can just go through there. You can have a tab on suppliers. Click on the supplier tabs. You will get supplier tab. Click that supplier tab. Come down, scroll down. Here you will have the list of options. Who is the procuring agency? Is it we have discussed, no? One is the integrated material management, works procedure, and one more is outsourcing. So these 3 categories we have. So everything is defined in our open platform. Here if you see that you have opened the integrated material management, come down. So you have here 2 things. One is that list of designated officers for your grievances, anything is there. Okay, that can be addressed. Who are the contact persons? Those details are there. Come down, you'll have again divisional IMM head contact details. So this is, I can say that 1 week back we updated with the new numbers. So there were, okay, this is available in the portal. So you can download that and you have the contact numbers. You have got their email address also.
This will be easy for you to communicate. Thanks to, it is his brainchild, thanks to him. A big round of applause to him. One more thing which we wanted to show you is the list of tenders. So go to tenders. So I'm doing it, sir. So you can select a division and department. Let's say we'll select ARDC and IMM department. So here you will have this is a dashboard showing you the list of RFQs which are hosted for the last few months, so which are still live. So you can have a look at this, and then probably, if you are interested in, probably you can respond to these RFQs. You can talk to the concerned IMM head of each division if you want to, get listed as one of the what they call potential vendors. Anything else you want to share, Shashi sir, Murthy, Venkatesh? Okay. So if opportunity doesn't knock, build a door, and we have built a door for you. Please knock it. So, hi tea or questions? I request Mr. Venkatesh, Murthy, Shashi ji, please come over. Let's answer the questions. That's okay, sir. We'll stand. Aja, Venki. Now you can start firing.
Check. Sir, namaste. My name is Aditya. I run a little startup called Chromopic Sensing. We make silicon photonics based IMUs, strategic grade applications directed. So basically, in the first line I said we are a startup, and we are hoping to have a product, come out with a product. Say we are like 6 quarters out, and we want to align to whatever is your requirement. So is it a good time for us? Is it too early for us to get in touch with one of the IMM heads, let's say, right? And how do we get started on that path?
It's a very good question. What is the area of core competency you are into?
Navigation sensors.
Sensors.
Inertial measurement.
Sensors, you can talk to SLRDC team. They are here for one more day. We have team members from most of the divisions over here. Please get in touch with him. He will register you. Probably onboarding at the right time is very important. Please onboard, and he will guide you on to the right path.
Apart from the SRDC, HL Nasik, and HL Koraput, HL Korwa.
So these are all the divisions dealing with sensors.
But to start with, please knock his door right away. Yeah, please go ahead. Can you please pass on the mic, please?
Sir, my name is Vinod Stanley, and I am representing a company called Calcutech. So at Calcutech, we have the expertise to build the kind of SBCs and embedded computers. So we have not got any into the projects for avionics or defense. So do we have an opportunity to combinedly develop or indigenize some products, mainly these SPCs or embedded computers for HAL? Because we find like in most of the tenders, it will mention like the vendors or the suppliers who have previously delivered to defense or aerospace is given more priority.
Sorry, gentlemen, what's your name?
Vinod Stanley.
Stanley, you are on our hit list. Please come here. We want some vendors from who are actually preparing these SPCs. We want to talk to you more than you. We are interested in onboarding you. Okay. We have tenders right away. I can show you. Yesterday only we hosted it on our website. It's an open tender. We have called in for local vendors, class 1 and class 2 vendors. It's an open tender, not a limited tender. We are not going with Micropack. We are not going with LDC. We are looking for vendors who have this potential. We will talk to you immediately after this presentation. Okay? Yeah.
Sir, I'm coming from Calcutta. We are into manufacturing of power electronics products like SMPS power supply, DC-DC converters, and lithium chargers. A lot of different R&D we have. Which division you think would be?
Again, my dear Venki.
You can contact to Hyderabad division or SLRDC. Apart from or SLRDC and MCSRDC also will be of your interest.
We are at booth number
3536.
Please come over. We have our team members from MCSRDC Avionics division. So he will guide you through. He is Mr. Srinivas. You can get in touch with him. Sir.
Can I go ahead? Yeah. Thank you. Good afternoon. My name is Wing Commander Shivanand. I was
Good afternoon, sir.
Indian Air Force for 21 years, took premature retirement. I'm working as a business development manager for a private company, startup company called as Akruti 3D. They are into 3D design, reverse engineering, scanning, and manufacturing as well. Last month, I registered my company in F&F, that Forged and Foundry.
Foundry and Forged.
It's in progress. I didn't get the vendorship code, okay, as of now. But the manager says you can participate in the RFQs.
Yeah.
The first question.
Yeah.
Second question is it mandatory for, after getting the vendorship registration number, is it mandatory for me to register in other divisions also?
Very good question, sir. In fact, if you are registered with one division, it is like, it's a unique registration. So you will have one ID, unique ID, which is making you eligible for participating in all the tenders hosted by all the divisions. Don't you worry about it,
You
sir.
don't have to submit any other
No, not
extra
required.
documents or anything
No,
else.
no, sir.
Okay.
For same scope of work.
Thank you very much.
Hello, sir. My name is Nishant and I'm representing CDL Semiconductors.
Sir, sorry, sir. Yeah, please go ahead.
So I'm representing CDL Semiconductors. We are the manufacturer of semiconductor components catering to HL for many decades now.
Yes.
But when it comes to your vendors, like the gentleman sitting over there from Calcutta, there are many vendors who are catering to you many products. So how can we get the list of those vendors, or how can we communicate with them for our kind of solutions? You know us, we are already supplying to HL Lucknow for many years. But coming to your vendors, what is the right way forward, sir?
So you're talking about our Tier 1 and Tier 2
Yes,
suppliers
exactly,
list.
exactly.
Sir, we are planning to host it in our website.
Okay.
Give us, allow us some time, maybe this month or next month. Our team is on the job to complete the list and then put it across in our HL website. It's a good point. We'll note it down too.
Thank
We
you.
will also send this message across the management.
Thank you for addressing.
Thank you so much, sir.
So my name is Thomas. I'm from Digital Core Technologies, Kochi. We have developed an in-house thermal imaging core, LWR, and now we are working on MWR also. So just would like to know whether there is any opportunities HAL is looking for electro-optic systems, indigenous thermal imaging specific.
Like what is the platform for MWR and LWR what you're working on?
You mean the platform means?
It's a laser warning receiver what you're talking about, or?
It's a sensor, thermal imaging, thermal
okay,
camera.
Okay.
It's a sensor from Linred, France.
Okay.
But the complete core is indigenous. So basically I saw in the Aero show when I went, I saw a helicopter with the same thermal camera as a, below that one. I tried to inquire where they get it, but I couldn't get any leads. So
For these payloads, we have one Mr. Lakshmana who is there in our booth.
okay.
Please meet him. Today he is there. We will also, what's your good name, sir?
Thomas.
We'll record it.
We have a booth here.
Yeah. We have a booth here.
So we'll meet.
Please come and meet us.
Thank you.
Mr. Lakshmana.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, myself Tejas. I'm representing the
Nice to hear to your name, sir.
Yeah, yes. So basically, we are expert in SDR and analog front-end design. So just looking for, is there any opportunity with the HAL to design aircraft to satellite communication kind of SDR systems? And at the same time, we also want to, because I have figured out there are Ethernet and MIL standard 1553 kind of ARNC. Yeah, exactly. So that's what something we can do right now. Everything is getting from outside of the India. So we want to start something, but I'm not sure whether how I can get the LOI. Once I'll fulfill these specifications, then you're gonna buy it. I'm pretty much sure. But if I invest in research and then doing the prototyping for this particular stuff, because normally it's been DDC is dominating the market. Yeah, and that was something we can do very easily. Same thing with the SBC as well, single board computer.
Sir, SBCs, MIL 1553s, we are trying to indigenize.
Yeah.
Though DDC and other vendors are supporting our tenders, this time we have taken a special approval from Ministry of Defense, DefSec, and we are going to host a tender for all the indigenous vendors to source it. We are giving the privilege to all the vendors to do some R&D and give us this particular MIL bus and PMCs and SBCs. So there's one Mr. Lakshmana from MCS RDC sitting in that booth at booth number 35. Okay. Please meet him. He will further sensitize you on what we are looking forward from you.
Okay. Thank you.
It's a very good thing. I really appreciate. Would like to thank you for coming forward for this.
Thanks, sir.
Because of the standard you just mentioned, and our understanding is as we move from 4th gen to 5th gen, fly-by-wire is going to be fly-by-light wire harness, right? So, I mean, of course, because that is where our product roadmap also ends up after our first application. Again, this is the same question. How do we align on these requirements? Is it ADA should we talk to? Because they are transferring to HAL or HAL?
No. You can talk to MCSRDC, Mission Combat Systems R&D Center. Again, Mr. Lakshmana is at booth. Please go and approach him. He is the one. He is from the hardware department of MCSRDC. He is into this. So he is the dealing officer and also the user.
My name is Vijayan. I am working on a new type of generators. I would like to join with HAL to increase the amount of electricity generated from all your plane generators. This is only solid generation part of it. This is a new technology.
Then we would like to request you to give us some information on that so that probably we will put you on to the right person. This is something very innovative. We would like to, take it forward, sir. Maybe
This is about ground
control.
Ground controls, no? No. Okay. So you are talking about, sir, airborne, not control ground control units. Then you can talk to, sir, LCA Tejas division, overall division, all platform divisions you can talk to. Like, yeah. You have, sir?
We will not clutter it. Please come to our booth. We will give you one single point of contact and definitely we will take it forward, sir. Booth? 35. Thank you so much, gentlemen. We are here and we definitely want to have a good collaboration with you all. Please come over to our booth. Let's understand each other and make it in a big way. Thank you very much for your time and patience, gentlemen.
Kindly stay for a while. Sir, thank you so much. We would like to thank the entire team. I think we'll give one more round of applause to the entire team, please. Thanks, Mr.
A standing ovation to you all, sir.
Thank you so much.
Team of Cessna 2.
I would rather request our executive committee member, Ms. Nandini from TESCOM, who would come over and give a memento to the team.
Thank you all. It was absolutely exciting and interesting, and I'm sure everybody has got a lot of questions, but then it was very inclusive also. So we would love to get in touch more, and personally also I have so many things to talk to, but I will go over to the booth and talk, and all of us have got questions which can be discussed at the booth. Thank you all for coming here and giving so much knowledge to us. Thanks.
So move towards that. Move towards Look here.
This next session will be starting immediately now. It is from Samir, the Society for Applied Microwave Electronic Engineering and Research. Please stay back for the next session. It's going to start immediately. Thank you.